Hey first graders, so today we're going to practice adding and subtracting numbers. So what is 6 plus 3? Okay, let's start with 6. Hold up, or you can draw 6 circles and then add 3 more. Or you can start from the number 6 and count 3 more. So we can say 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get 9? 6 plus 3 is 9? It is. Let's try this one. 12 plus 5. So let's start from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 12 plus 5 is 17. What about this one? 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. How about 4 plus 11? Well, this time let's start with a big number and just add 4 more dots. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you get 15? What about this one? We have 9 plus 6. Let's start from 9 and let's add 6 more. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you get 15? Okay, how about 3 plus 5? Look for the bigger number. 5 is the bigger number. So we're going to start from 5 and we're going to add 3 more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8? Good job. How about 8 plus 5? Let's start from the bigger number, which is 8, and let's add 5 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you get 13? Yay! Thank you for practicing with Miss Chan today. Have a good day.